have proof.
We have an agreement now. We have an agreement. This is the witness, okay?
The judge.
We
He's the
have
judge.
an agreement. Maya and me have challenge about we have
200
9
for
days.
9 days.
Yeah, I have 200 for 9 days and she has 300 for 9 days. Okay, show me your wallet.
Okay. Start. You
Show
start
me
first.
your wallet.
You start first.
Okay, please.
Prove me that you have to.
Okay. I have
Yeah.
200 in my wallet.
Your 200 also.
No, it has.
300.
Okay. Okay.
Start
So
for
now
now.
we
Struggle
start
today.
our challenge. But wait, if you win, what will then or what?
If I lose, what I gonna be
Yeah,
do?
if I
Kamu mau
lose
ngasih
or
apa?
you lose, you will run the whole lake
Kamu mau
or
ngasih apa?
you eat ice cream outside in the McDonald's. So choose.
Yeah.
Choose. Eat ice cream because now it's winter. So
Okay. If I lose, I treat you one
no.
ice cream.
Okay,
One
no.
ice cream. If you lose, what you treat me?
No, we eat at McDonald's, but you eat outside. I eat inside. Because
What you mean?
it's cold outside.
Oh. Oh, so okay, I dare you. Okay, I dare you.
Okay, deal.
Okay. The judge.
Okay.
Nggak mau, aku nggak dikasih apa-apa.
Okay.
Okay.
Deal. No, deal. Okay.
Wait. If I'm lose, I have to treat two person. One is this, and then one is her.
Okay. If
One ice cream.
If you
Okay.
lose, if
Then
I
if
lose,
you
I treat one ice cream and one ice cream.
Deal.
Okay, deal. Deal. Okay.